Hello and welcome to MTDCNC. Today we are here in EMO 2025 and I am here with Mr. Rakesh Solanki, who is the Managing Director of Indian market, which is one of the fastest growing market for Vargus, and I'm sure he has a very strong vision for the company and he's looking after that market. So, sir, I mean, you have a great task at hand. You know, India is the biggest market for you, one of the fastest growing market for you, and there's a lot of demand, and Indian manufacturers are craving for really good quality threading solutions, right? And so let's start with this live demonstration. What you are showing here, what kind of innovative solution you are bringing for the Indian manufacturers?
First of all, Ashutosh, thank you very much being here. And I would say in terms of demonstrations, we are comparing our standard product line as well as the new innovation. We call it as a MACH line. In MACH line, we have thread turning, which is TT, as well as thread milling, which we call it as a TM. So we are comparing both the product lines, so we can show it to our customers that how productivity as well as quality we are offering to our valuable customers. And you know, India being a very, very emerging market where the economy is very good, the PMI index is more than 50, which shows that the indications, the sentiments are very, very high in terms of investment, in terms of the machining. So we are bringing those very good solutions, the industry setting solutions to our customers. I'm sure that they will be happy looking at this, the live demonstration over here.
I'm sure. I think there is a lot of interest here. A lot of customers from India has also come and they wanted to see this live demo.
Yes.
And I can see you have displayed a lot of innovative products here.
Yes.
So can we have a walk around with you?
Sure, Ashutosh. I will bring you different tables and I will show you what are the product lines we are having and what are the latest innovations we have brought for our global customers, especially for Indian customers, where they are seriously looking forward to have a quality products because now the export is very, very big from India to rest whole of the world. So the quality parameter is very high. The tool life requirement is very high, and at the same time they need the tools with the cost efficiency. So I will
Sure.
bring you around.
Let's go.
So let me start with the first product line, which is having the maximum cell. We call it as a thread turning. You can see we have from FS line to standard to MACH TT, which is our latest innovations. And you can see the kind of the products. You can see from the small threading to the bigger size, from different firms we have available. So Vargus means threading, threading means Vargus.
Fantastic.
It's a very
really
simple.
nice punchline.
And market has well accepted this part. We have holders also available. You can see. I will bring you over here. I was showing here MACH TT. You can see unmatched productivity. Totally new substrate. And one example I will show you over here is generally.
Cut. We'll start from there. आराम से उठाना क्या इसको चलो अब आराम से धीरे से उठाना इसको
कहाँ से बोलूँ?
वहीं से उठा लो बट आप धीरे से उठाना गिरे ना
Conscious of lead, you need to keep it.
yeah we have to make it fast here quick
So you can see our MACH TT, and here in this insert, generally, if you see, like you just apply the pressure over here. Is it coming down? No. Generally, in standard inserts, if you press here, it will come out. The very good, here we have you can see the advanced, the dovetail clamping system, which will not allow, and this will give extra strength.
extra clamping
Strength, which helps in reducing the number of passes, which can reduce the machining time by 60%, and also the tool life we have experienced even 2 times, 3 times. So
Fantastic.
Setting this particular product is setting up the standards. Then we have TM standard solid line. At the same time, we have the MACH TM. This is again the revolutionary product line we have available in our range, which is again offering the best productivity. You can see 60% reduction in time, 25+% increase in the tool life. Again, this is the setting up the standard in with our customers. We have indexable thread milling solutions. Again, you can see over here. Apart from that, so this basically for internal threading solutions. This is for external threads. So we have a bell-shaped design. We have gauges also available because our customers ask for the gauges also because we provide threading to measure the accuracy.
That's a surprise for me. I didn't know about the gauges.
So we have these solutions. We have latest, recently we launched the tabs also. And these are all high performance tabs. You can see from straight roll form tabs. We have spiral point as well as spiral flute tabs.
This is the new product innovation you have.
New products we have launched
in EMO.
In 2025.
Yeah.
Then you can see for oil and gas nowadays in India as well as globally, we have the revolutionary expansion is happening in this particular area. So we have our MACH 25 product line. We have launched this product, and you can see this particular product is again coming with the new substrate, new VKX grade, and it offers fantastic product, the productivity as well as the tool life.
Fantastic.
Again, this is setting up the trend in the market. This is setting up trend.
No, that is really impressive that instead of one teeth, you have 2 teeth and 3 teeth, which is reducing it by
and this helps
60%.
in increasing the productivity.
That's amazing.
Yeah. You can see we have different product line. Now I will bring you to the other table where we have our product line. You can see we have a microscope as well as mini V for small, the parts machining. In terms of medical industry, we have our complete solution. So you can see from microscope, then SD cut, thread whirling, the whole complete solution in medical we have available.
I think in medical, industry is growing very fast in India.
Yes.
A lot of people are buying so many sliding head machines and getting into, dental implants and other implants manufacturing. So I think this will be a really good solution for Indian manufacturers.
So generally, the machine makers, the Swiss kind of machine makers, they asked us that you are offering, the good solutions. Why don't you offer us the solution for the turning? So this we have launched. This is our new product line. We are offering, the positive inserts also for the Swiss make machines. So now we have complete solutions for our customers.
Amazing.
Then we have SD cut. Again, this is for Swiss machines. We have solutions available.
So, sir, we in this product range, have you brought any new innovation, new technology in this product range?
Yes, Ashutosh. I can say here you can see this particular SD cut holders. These are without through-coolant. In our latest development, we have brought through-coolant holders, which will further increase the productivity as well as the quality surface finish of the the machine components. And also you can see the depth capability. We have increased to 22 mm. Before it was less, 17 mm. So we have increased. In our new range, you can see we have VG-cut product line for parting and grooving solutions. We have our e-catalogs and Vargus Genius programs which we offer to our customers. Now I will bring you to another important table. You can see here. So we have drills starting from 3D to 12D. One important parameter I want to show you over here is you can see the flutes. It's a highly polished flutes. This
very
helps,
good finishing.
Yeah, this helps in evacuating the chips, and also offer the great productivity and the
also
surface
increase
quality
the
of
tool
the
life
hole.
also.
The geometry is also very good. Then we have the V mills available, V drills as I mentioned. These are the products we have available in our product range. We have roughers, we have products for different kinds of material groups. Latest we have introduced you can see that threading master kit where we are offering drills along with the MACH TM, and this particular combination is giving one of the highest productivity in terms of machining to our customers.
I'm totally amazed what kind of innovation you are bringing every year, and
Absolutely.
totally impressed with that.
And I will bring you to the last table, and that is the fantastic product line I would say is a Shavu. So in Shavu you can see we have the rotary burrs, different forms we have available. You can see, as well as we have hand deburring solutions. Mr. Lamy, he is the in charge. He is the head of this particular table. Yeah, he is the master of this particular product line, Lamy. So such a fantastic, I think we have, and with this, I would like to say that now Vargus is not only the threading company, but we are offering the solution much more than threading. So this is what Vargus.
I think you said it all, much more than threading. This is such a comprehensive and detailed, product range you have, and you have explained it so beautifully. And I'm sure millions of Indian manufacturers who are watching this, and they have a demand for these kind of solution, and you are going to fulfill this. You have a really good vision and really good execution.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are going to do wonders for the Indian market. I wish you all the best.
Only one statement I would like to make over here is, V for Vargus, V for victory. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you.